Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can become a best programmer. If you're interested in coding and programming, this video is for you. Why programming is important. Programming is an essential skill in today's world. From websites and mobile apps to complex software systems, programming is used in almost every industry. By learning to code, you can create new products, solve problems, and make a positive impact on the world. How to become a best programmer. So, how can you become a best programmer? Here are some tips. Start with the basics. Before you can become a best programmer, you need to have a solid foundation in the basics of programming. Learn programming languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript, and practice coding exercises to build your skills. Focus on problem solving. Programming is all about solving problems. To become a best programmer, you need to develop your problem-solving skills. Start by breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable tasks, and work on solving them one by one. Collaborate with others. Programming is not a solitary activity. To become a best programmer, you need to learn how to collaborate with others. Join coding communities, attend hackathons, and participate in open-source projects to work with other programmers and learn from their experiences. Never stop learning. Programming is a constantly evolving field, and there's always something new to learn. Keep yourself updated with the latest programming trends, technologies, and best practices. Read blogs, watch online tutorials, and take courses to expand your knowledge and skills. Conclusion. So there you have it, some tips on how you can become a best programmer. Remember, programming requires patience, perseverance, and a lot of practice. But with hard work and dedication, anyone can become a great programmer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming content.